Electricians, are you exhausted from running job to job, trying to keep up with everything? Do you wish you could have a reliable team around you that could help your business to run smoothly so you could take some time off? Well, guess what? I've been there myself. Imagine for a moment you had no more debt holding you back. You could finally get off the tools for good. You could provide for your family with holidays abroad, private schools for your kids, and a car that you're proud to drive. Having money in the bank, a growing business, and the confidence to achieve anything. At the 7-Figure Business Builder event, I'll show you exactly how to make that vision a reality with simple systems for marketing, sales, and operations. Grow your finances and learn so much more. These strategies have helped thousands of trade business owners completely transform their lives.
Taking my business from 300k a year to 3 million a year. I've done all the hard work, but literally it wouldn't have been possible if I hadn't have been introduced to Trade Mastermind.
I'm Joseph Valente, a #1 best-selling author, founder of 2 8-figure trade businesses, winner of the BBC Apprentice and a Forbes 30 Under 30 entrepreneur. I'm now bringing that knowledge straight to you at this event so you can scale your business and finally achieve the freedom you've been working so hard for. This isn't just a discovery day, it's practical steps to take your trades business to the next level. But don't just take my word for it. Our clients have seen life-changing results.
My biggest win this month was we won a 48k job yesterday. I wasn't even selling solo before I started. So as of January, I haven't been on the tools at all this year.
So we're halfway through our financial year and we've already beaten last year's figures on turnover for the year. From the Trade Mastermind, it's taken 4 months to get where we are now. Now I've got my time back and we're earning more money.
We doubled our installs from 3 to 6 for the month. We've had 4 installs go in this week and we've got another 2 for next week. So we're already on 6 for this month. Just learning from people here about what they do has been really helpful for us to figure out where we want to go.
And with our excellent Trustpilot reviews and satisfaction guarantee, there's 0 risk. Take the first small step today. Complete your details on this page to claim your free ticket, and one of my business coaches will call you back to secure the best event date for you. If you're serious about building a thriving business in 2025 and you want to make it your best, most successful year yet, this event is definitely the right choice for you. Complete your details on this page and claim your free ticket right now, and let's get started on your journey to the best version of yourself.